Hey guys, so now it's time to go ahead and show you how you can install the, kind of CyanogenMod 10.1 for your Galaxy Nexus. So it's time to go ahead and show you how to do this. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is to open up this website over here. As you can see, I'll put the links in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. This is the website. This is the XCA development, Android, Galaxy Nexus development. And as you can see, you get the links for everything. Links to download and links for the G apps. You're gonna want to download the latest stuff, so I already have the G apps, and the build is 23rd. Today is 24th, and let's see what build do I have downloaded. Yeah, I downloaded this yesterday, so it is 23rd. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I already downloaded this. You just have to press on this link and you'll close that. The next thing is to download the toolkit, the Galaxy Nexus toolkit. It is about, I believe it's about 100 megabytes or 150 megabytes. You just have to download it, the latest version. For now it's about, I think, 10.1. Yeah, maybe. You have to open this up, Galaxy Nexus toolkit. It's a very, very good app and useful app. Let's zoom in a little bit. I just press no because I know I have the latest version. So the next thing you're gonna want to do is to check out what build do you have. No matter what ROM are you using. I'm using the stock ROM. With roots, the root of the stock ROM. I'm running on JOP40D. And as you can see over here clearly, you have two of these models. One is for GSM model, which is Yakju, I think, and one is GSM model with GSM USA model with wallets, which is Takju. I don't know what that means, but you're gonna have to check which one do you have. Maybe you have the Yakju, maybe you have the Takju. So for checking that, basically, you just have to go to your maps. It's the simplest way to do that. Skip. And you're gonna have to go to settings, I think, about, and yeah. As you can clearly see over here, it says Takju. Device is Takju. Yeah. Maguru Takju. So you're gonna have to, I have to press number 11 because mine is Takju. I wrote 11 over here and I have to press enter. So you'll see all of these options. You're gonna want to first you have to check where you have the drivers installed on your computer or not. Then backup and restore, of course, you can do. Then unlock or relock your bootloader. So make sure that you have backup. If you have not unlocked your bootloader, you gonna have to do it now. I don't have a video on that because um, you know, I didn't have my YouTube channel when I unlocked the bootloader on my phone, so you know, I'm kinda sorry, but you can go ahead and check out any other video if you want. Unlock or relock your bootloader. It's pretty easy, you know. So, and one precaution is that when you unlock your bootloader, it will turn your phone exactly like it was when it came from factory, you know. It will delete up your whole internal storage, and it will delete up whole, you know, thing on your phone, apps and all that. So be careful. Then you're gonna have to root your device, then rename your store files. No, you have to flash recovery. So one thing that I have to tell you is that, you know, I already have a video on how to install torque recovery on your Galaxy Nexus. It's super easy, and you're gonna have to check it out if you want that recovery. So now I'm not gonna install torque recovery because for some reason I couldn't install the CyanogenMod 10.1 on with torque recovery. I don't know why, but I couldn't. So now and I could install it with CWM. So now I'm gonna show you how to install CWM recovery, the latest version, touch, on your Galaxy Nexus. So then you can install the CM10.1. So now you're gonna have to. Oh my god! I need a camera stand. This is so annoying. I think this angle would be good. So now I already have my device rooted. Unlock the bootloader. I already unlocked the bootloader. I already rooted my device. Now you're gonna have to flash a recovery, which I do have right now, but it doesn't work. It is, oh sorry. It doesn't work with if you want to install that CM10.1. So I'm gonna press number 6. Oh shit. Number 6. It's gonna ask for which recovery do I want to install. So now I already have the torque recovery. It doesn't work. So, and also it's not the latest version. The latest version, I believe, it's 2.3.3.0. So, oh, you gotta make sure that you have all your drivers installed on your computer. So then you can, you know, just install it. Without the drivers, you can't install it. So you're gonna have to turn off your phone. And one thing with the this toolkit, I wasn't able to install the drivers correctly, and so I don't recommend doing that. I just installed them myself, the drivers, because I'm running on Windows 8. Oh shit, I'm running on Windows 8 and it's pretty awesome, but I couldn't install that thing. So with this toolkit, so I'm gonna show you how to install it now. So I'm gonna show you how to install the drivers first. Basically you need to go to your computer properties, device manager, and you need to close all these. Then here, as you can clearly see, you have all your stuff. This is my phone, Galaxy Nexus. You need to unplug it if you're plugged it in. Then you need to hold down these two buttons, these two, with power button with two volume keys. Then you will hear a vibration and you will see this screen. Yeah. So let's plug my phone. Now you need to plug it in. So now it's plugged and you will see. Let's see. I have this ADB interface because I've already installed it. So if you don't have that and you have something like called Android One or anything, you just have to double tap on this, open up driver, update driver, browse my computer, let me pick, and you need to press Android ADB interface and next, and it will install all your drivers, so you'll be good to go. Then you need to come here, plug in your device as it is plugged in right now, as you can see clearly, and you can see that my bootloader, oh my god, yeah, my bootloader is unlocked. So let's go ahead and focus and press option 1, which is Clockwork Mod recovery, and press option 1. I'm already in fast boot mode, so I don't need to type in no to make it reboot into fast boot mode, so I will type yes and enter. And it is flashing Clockwork Mod recovery, and it is sending, kind of doing all kinds of stuff, and it says that it's finished. So I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna go to phone, I'm gonna go to recovery mode, as you can clearly see over here. This is the Clockwork Mod recovery and Clockwork Mod touch recovery. So now you need to go ahead and wipe data factory reset. Make sure that you have all your backups. It's pretty funny because, torque recovery wipes data pretty faster. Wipe cache partition and wipe cache. Then you have to go to advanced and wipe down cache. And press yeah. And go back. Choose it from. Oh shit! I hate the small buttons of the Clockwork Mod touch. It sucks. Oh shit! So now you have to unplug it. Just unplug it. Go to fast boot again. Go to recovery mode. Let me. Yeah. Go to factory reset again because turned on, and maybe it makes some cache which we don't need to be there. You just have to. Oh my god, can't it focus my camera? So sorry guys, I ran out of the memory for my camera. I think that was the reason that for all the lagginess of the video. So insert zip from SD card. Choose zip from SD card. You have to press this 0 thing. First one, then you have to go to the directory which you have your ROMs inside the ROM. Then CM10.1, and I'm not quite sure if you can read it, but it is named as CM10.1, and the latest build CM10.1 flashing. Yep, it is flashing right now. Very good. So in this step you can just go ahead and remove, close this thing, and you are good to go. Everything is kinda completed right now, and as you can see the flash process is done, and then you have to press on this again. You're gonna have to go to you're gonna have to go to your ROM directory again. Don't forget to flash the GApps. Your ROM is useless without the GApps. It's a long time ago which I've used the clockwork mod recovery. I mostly use torque but for this step you have to use this thing, so why not? I don't know, I just hate clockwork mod recovery. So we'll just wait for it to kind of boot up. Yeah, it is CyanogenMod 10.1, and we'll wait for it to kind of turn on. Yeah. So, sorry for the music. So I just the device just booted up, and we're gonna, kind of. No, not this one. Yeah. I'm gonna just, set it up. So, type in my password. Sorry for it. And as you can see clearly, it is obtaining my IP address. Yeah, it is connected. Yep, I have a Google account, of course. Let me sign in. So it is signing in right now. The ROM feels really good, I have to say. Oh, I haven't set up my, because I didn't sign in with my own account, so it was asking for, thing. This is basically the very first time I'm using this CyanogenMod 10.1 actually. Yeah, it is turned on. Wow, 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 so nice. Let me do my updates. Wow, my applications are installing right out of the box. No, I don't want you to install them, I just want my titanium backup to install all of them. But let me just install these two, Google search and the Gmail. So but we will see how the ROM feels like in the next video. And do I like the ROM? Will I, kind of use the ROM? Yeah, it disconnected from my Wi-Fi network. I don't know the reason. But this ROM feels very good, actually. Yeah, it feels very nice and responsive. It feels much more responsive than the original one. Yeah. So have an awesome day right now, and I will see you all in my very next video. Bye bye.